Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for July 19th to August 2nd. For July 19th to 23rd, we have a ridge here over the Northeast Pacific, also here near Greenland. This features a trough down here, and we have a broad ridge, fairly strong ridge, 594 dm, covering much of the remainder of the nation, and we have a zone of flow across the northern states. We will have a cold front that will push through the Great Lakes and the Northeast. You can see it here. This is GFS. Here's the European ensembles, and this will cause showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. The front is forecast to stall across the Marva region, and this will have a weak wave. You can see it right here, moving along it, and this will bring additional heavy rain and thunderstorms to the area. Diurnal showers and storms are forecast across the southeast. You can also see it here. Okay, and then we'll have more concentrated areas of showers and storms across Florida due to easterly flow. Now, also storms are possible across portions of the southern Rockies. Oops, I don't know what happened there. As a weak trough moves through, and then we'll have above normal temperatures forecast for a large portion of the nation, with anomalies near 12 degrees above normal. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for July 24th to 28th. And the flow remains across the northern states. Still have a ridge here and here, and we have this ridge here across much of the nation, most of the southern and central U.S. Maybe it intensifies over the southeast Tennessee Valley, some areas, but all in all, the flow remains generally the same. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees above normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and here, probability of occurrence 35%. Then we have above normal precipitation here. This due to the storm, stall front, and so forth. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking ahead for the period for July 29th to August 2nd, we have a tendency of a trough here in the northwest. Still have our ridge here in the Northeast Pacific. Now this ridge that was more centered over eastern Canada and towards Greenland shifts over to the Arctic. And still the flow is here across this area. Flow doesn't really change all that much. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this area here with the probability of occurrence of 35%. We're going to look at the drought index, current drought index monitor, very dry here and portions here. And now I'm going to show you where the rain's been falling and not. Now this is rainfall departures. I don't know how well you can make these numbers. Departure from normal for month to date across this area. Now we'll take a look at other areas. We're going to take a look at, say, the Northeast. Have to wait a few minutes for this to load. And you can see that there are some departures, mostly above normal, except for areas here across northern New England, like Maine, is below normal. And portions of here are below normal in the plains. And we'll take a look at some other area. We'll take a close-up look. Let's say, okay, Iowa. We'll pick Iowa. And you can see we have departures here. This shows it better. Some are approaching an inch, some are over an inch. But this is mostly where the rain's been falling, and I showed you where the rain's not been falling. And we'll take it, the area in the southwest and parts of the west still remain very, very dry. And we'll take a look at an area, let's say, Arizona. That doesn't like it. See if it loads. It's Alaska. I meant to pick Arizona. Take a load it again. And you can see that we have departures here close to an inch. I don't see any. Oh, here's some areas down here over an inch. So this is the area that remains very dry, especially across Southern California. Okay, that's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 19th to August 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munlin's World of Weather, and have a good day.